Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today we are going to do is calling method from object. Like earlier we have seen what is method and we have seen like function overloading also in earlier videos like in function part 1 and part 2. Now we are going to call a method from an object. If you are not knowing like what is an object, so kindly see my OOPS video in which I have explained class, object and some concept of OOPS also. So you will be more clear about object. Okay. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to create an object. Now first let us see how to create an object. First we have to write the class name. What is the name of the class? Like class name is here. Okay. This is a class name. So we have to write here. Class name will act in creating object as a data type. Now we have to now we have to write a variable. Like I call a variable is call object. Okay. Now I created like this is our object and this is the data type or a class name. You can say these are data type and this is a variable for object. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to use a new keyword, new, and then we have to write a calling object again and then methods. Okay. Now this is how our object is created. Okay. Object created. Okay. Now what we have to do is now we have to create a method also or a function. So I am creating a method is like public int like add. Okay, in which I am accepting two numbers n1 comma n2 as a parameters and we are going to return the sum of these numbers. Return n1 plus n2. Okay. Okay, now we are done with the function part. This is a function which is returning addition of two numbers. Okay. Now what we have to do is now we have to create or call that function. Now in C or C++ you are doing like you are directly like 2 comma 3 you are calling like this, and I'm doing this as system dot I'm printing this. I'm not taking that value into another variable. I'm directly printing that addition. Okay, now you can see here this is showing an error. Okay, cannot make a static reference to non-static method add int. Now when I am running this program, this will show an error. Okay, now you can see the error at here. Cannot make a static reference to non-static method add. Now here comes the role of static keyword. Like we are writing static at here also for this creating this function. If we are not writing static here, so we have to need to create an object to call this function. So we have created the object. So now how can we call the function using object? So what you have to do is you have to write call object name and use dot. Okay, call object. Okay, I have done a spelling mistake. Now you can see here it's like call object dot add 2 comma 3. Now it will run. Now you can see here it will give you the output 5. Okay, now suppose if I am writing public static, if I created the static function, so there is no need to call that function using object because that is not a member function. Okay, now if I am running it like run, so it will give output 5 because it is static. If you're not writing static, if the function is non-static, then you need object to call that function. Okay, you cannot access like directly writing a function name like we are earlier doing in C++ and C. So create an object and then call it. Okay, in this video you have learned about how to create an object and how to call the functions using that object. Okay guys, now if you are having any problem, kindly do write that problem in the comment and kindly do subscribe to our channel. Okay.